So I use Claude Code and I've been using it like crazy to just build so many different apps. But within a few days, I've already maxed out the week and I'm gonna have to wait like 3 to 4 days for it to freaking reset. And I think Claude Code is now becoming one of the most expensive coding models. And here is an alternative that you can use. It's called Windsurf. It's apparently one of like the best coding um, platforms, and it's very similar to um, Claude Code. So let's go ahead and download it and set it up together. So here it is. Let's drag it into applications and let's try boot it up. So it's around 900 megabytes. Let me check the pricing. I think there's a free version where you can actually code with agents, which is crazy for free. Claude Code, you can't do Claude Code for free. You have to pay the $20, $30 a month. So this is pretty cool. So I'm launching it now. I just opened it up. Let's see what it looks like. Welcome to Windsurf. Okay, keep adding to VS Code. Yep. Let's go light. And then let's go ahead and sign up. First, last name, email. Wow, you can get unlock full power for 14 days for Pro. So let's give that a try. And let's go crazy in the next 14 days. Okay, I'm logged in. Let's figure it out. So maybe I'll go ahead and I'll click generate a new project maybe. So I'm gonna go straight to the agent. I'm gonna do a new session. I'm gonna start talking to it. Let's try something like, this is my first time using Windsurf and Cascade. Could you please educate me a bit about what's the best way to use you? Ask for outcomes, not just snippets. Create a usable React button. Wow. Interesting. And then I could open files, I could like create folders. So let's try create something quickly. Let's try this. Can you please help me build a website where I can sell people my app that will help people create clips from long form content, where they can simply upload a, say, 2-hour podcast and it'll automatically create clips using my algorithm and software. So let's see if you can make a website. Wow, this is crazy. So it already created a project on its own. It's creating a plan. Wow, it's literally doing everything. This is pretty solid. This is just as good as Claude Code. Yeah, it went ahead and created within my computer, created the folder. Now it's like building things out. This is really, really impressive. So I can accept all to let it do its thing, and it's using ChatGPT, OpenAI. I think OpenAI is slowly catching up to Anthropic. Okay, I'll keep you updated. Wow, it's moving. It's creating the HTML, the CSS. It's installing different things for me, accept all. Wow, this is, yeah, it's literally an agent that's coding what I need for me. This is very, very impressive. Okay. Let's see if it works. Let's check the website. This is crazy. So just like that, within minutes, I got a freaking website up, and this website is freaking clean. Wow. That is so impressive. So I'm going to be playing around a lot with Windsurf, but man, this is, I think it's cheaper There's a free trial that you can play around with, like Windsurf is like already better than Claude Code. Crazy.